I like Upward Engine because of the way that they help me with my website, keeping things moving and rolling around.
Upward Engine, about 18 years with them. They always look toward what they can do for our business goals, how we can increase our search engine presence, and beyond.
Thank you for taking some time out of your day, your busy schedules to come and see Wicked with us, which feels like the perfect movie for this moment because you have all helped us defy gravity and move upward for 12 years. How do you like that?